SBI SCO Trade Finance Officer Recruitment 2025, everything you need to know. Imagine working with one of India's largest and most trusted banks. A prestigious position, competitive pay, and a chance to make your mark in trade finance. Don't miss out. SBI is recruiting 151 special cadre officers for 2025, and the last date to apply has been extended. The State Bank of India offers not just a job, but a transformative career in the banking sector. The 2025 recruitment drive includes 150 trade finance officer roles and 1 deputy manager position, opening doors to incredible opportunities in one of India's most reputable financial institutions. The online registration process started on January 3, 2025, and here's the good news. SBI has extended the deadline. You now have precious extra time to submit your application before February 3, 2025. Don't wait until it's too late. To grab this golden chance, applicants for deputy manager must hold a postgraduate degree and fit the age criteria of 27 to 37. For trade finance officers, a graduate degree is mandatory and age limits range from 23 to 32. Ready to check your eligibility? Applying is quick and simple. Visit SBI's official career portal, fill out the required details, upload your documents, and submit the application fee. Ensure all your information is accurate to avoid delays in processing. SBI adopts a 2-step selection process, shortlisting and interviews. Candidates are rigorously assessed based on their qualifications and skills to ensure the best fit for these coveted roles. Prepare to shine during the interview stage. Working as an SBI Special Cadre Officer means unparalleled exposure, hands-on experience in trade finance, and a competitive salary package. For instance, deputy managers can earn between $64,820 to $93,960 monthly. Financial growth and job security await you. Beyond the attractive salary, selected candidates enjoy career growth possibilities, exposure to global trade finance processes, and the pride of being associated with one of India's top banking institutions. Are these reasons compelling enough for you? Trade finance officers play a critical role in the banking ecosystem, from managing daily trade operations like issuing letters of credit to dealing with foreign exchange. This job is your ticket to specialize in a high-demand field within banking. Craft your application meticulously, double-check your documents, highlight relevant experience in trade finance, and ensure your resume aligns with the job requirements. This is your chance to make an impression, so give it your best shot. Common errors like incorrect information or missing deadlines can cost you this opportunity. Avoid mistakes by carefully reviewing your application and submitting it well before February 3, 2025. Visit the SBI Career Portal. Complete and submit your application. Prepare for the shortlisting process by highlighting your strongest qualifications. Ace that interview and secure your future with SBI. SBI isn't just a bank, it's an institution with a rich legacy of excellence. By becoming an SCO, you're not just taking a job. You're becoming part of a legacy that helps shape India's financial future. Your dream career with SBI is just one step away. Don't procrastinate. Apply now. Visit SBI's official website, complete your application, and take the leap toward a brighter future. Remember, the extended deadline is February 3rd, 2025. Act today and secure your place with SBI. Like, share, and follow us for more job updates.